Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water filter in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water filter. The water filter is located at the top left inside the refrigerator compartment inside the housing. It's designed to clean water by reducing chlorine taste as well as most known tap water contaminants. The filter should be replaced every 6 months. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. The water filter is located inside this housing. We need to press the side tabs, drop down the cover, and then we're going to push the filter down as far as it goes, and then we're going to just simply pull it out. This is the old water filter next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new filter, make sure that both O-rings on the top are in place. The new filter goes in with these two tabs vertical. Slide it in, push it in all the way, and just push it up. Then we can close the cover. And now we can close the doors. I usually start with the left side, and then I can close the right side. After the filter is installed, before drinking the water, you need to drain anywhere between 2 to 2.5 gallons. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.